an amazing and insightful panel discussion. We got to know lots of techniques like imagination, like props, because in our panel discussion, as I have mentioned earlier, that we have about 16 participants who have confirmed in Tall Tales contest. So these can be things that our panelists have informed, that like imagination, like Miss Anna has said Mr. Bean story, and anything like Miss Vanya has informed about how we can use body language, like she used wind and props and mobiles, so that we can stand out with stories like Thomas did with his sham on his head and switching off cameras. And at the end, Arish has also give her detailed evaluation on her side. So it's a great sort of thing, and I believe our participants have got equipped enough to win a contest, or at least give a tough time to another participant. So with this, before I end the meeting, can I have a word from our panelists? First start from Thomas.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Moines. I really enjoyed being here today, and believe me, I got many more inputs by listening to all of you, and I'm really happy that you are having a contest very soon, and I hope it'll be a rocking contest, and hopefully all the participants would definitely bring the roof down when you have it. Thank you for having me here.
Thank you so much, and I would also invite you for our Tall Tales contest, since it will be streamed through video also, through Zoom. And another is from Arich. May I have a word from you about panel discussion and for our participants?
Thank you so much. And for everyone who wants to compete in the contest, regardless, of course, still, I'm saying for all categories, not only the Tall Tales, but for all categories, you always need to think before, when you are preparing your speech, is it worth to be said? And then from that moment, to start writing it and see what is the message you want to deliver. Yes, in the humorous or tall tale, not 100% we need to worry about the message, but still it's important to have it there. But always think, if my speech worth to be said, and prepare from that time. Prepare it as that concept. What I want the contestants to do, to know and understand that you win or you lose, you are learning, because here in Toastmasters, this is the real behind it. This is something I'm saying it to everyone, and it's something I invented. It's my motto in Toastmasters. Toastmasters is not a real life. Toastmasters is the place that will help us to improve our real life. So do everything in Toastmasters. Do mistakes. Do lose in the contest, win in the contest, do role plays, because what you are taking out of it, this is what you need to have it inside you so you can have it in your real life. Don't work for Toastmasters, but make Toastmasters work for yourself. Even in Tall Tales, even in everything. Enjoy your time as much as you can and live the moment and just live your real life as it should be living. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Essentially, it's a basic thing that it's a learning environment, and that's why Toastmasters stands out from any other speaking skills platform, because we are allowed to make mistakes, we are allowed to fall, but at the end we are not allowed to quit. So that's the beauty of it, that I could summarize it. And another is from Vanya.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Moise, and thank you so much, Toastmaster Arij. I wish you had said these words before I contested back in 2020, because believe me, I used to be so nervous, I could barely sleep before the contests. So I wish you had said that earlier. I really loved what you had said. I absolutely loved it. And about this panel discussion, I was actually taking down notes. So yes, this was a learning experience for me too. I had a great time speaking. Thank you so much, Toastmaster Muiz, for inviting me. Squeezing in time for this panel discussion was not easy for me, but I am so glad that I did it. It was absolutely worth it. And I've come back to Toastmasters and to Zoom after a few months. So thank you so much, Toastmaster Muiz, for this opportunity. I'm absolutely loving it, being amongst you all, amongst such amazing panelists. And thanks for giving me this learning opportunity. And if I was able to convey any credible technique, I hope someone gets help from it. If I'm able to do that, I'd be very happy. So thanks a lot. Let's do such things again. And I wish all the best to the contestants. Whoever is contesting anywhere, all the best. You've got a champion in you. Bring it out.
Thank you so much. And even we have learned a lot from you. And I was also getting my notepad to note all the things that I could. And even we will share recordings as well in our social media channels, so that more and more people can learn it well. And last, from our Thailand participant, Ma'am Anna Frumeren. Can we have a word from you?
Thank you very much, Toastmaster Muiz. And I cannot say, I say it like all of you in the panel, I also learned a lot, and I see myself as a lifelong learner, and Toastmasters is really the good place, a perfect place to really be able to learn more and more for each meeting, for each contest, for everything I do in Toastmasters. One thing that I thought about that actually helped me a lot, and I was also thinking about that when I listened to Toastmaster Vanya. We are so many that are so super excited, nervous before the contest, right? Or is it only me or Vanya? I don't know. But the 2 weeks before I was on the stage, what I focused on, except for practice, I really worked with my mindset and to visualize that I already done the speech and it went well. So that is a tip I really want to give you, because it's so much about your confidence when you are on stage. And you know, when you are nervous and super excited, it can really block your thoughts. So that is what I strongly recommend you to also think about it. Your mindset, be positive, visualize, do all these different tips and technique, and it will help you. You will be more confident when you are on stage. So thank you very much. I've been learning so much from all of you, and I really love it doesn't matter really if you win or you lose. I can just say that you are a champion because you're doing the contest and you're learning so much by doing that. So I wish you all good luck. I'm so happy and grateful for being here tonight. It was lovely meeting you all, and I wish you all the good luck. But please remember, you are a champion. Over to you.